When you first get here, the frost blankets, these frost blankets will be up and over the plants, and the plastic bubble wrap will be over the plants. You'll just take the frost blankets and scooch them along this wire and just scoot them to the back so they aren't in the way. You can see how it is right there. And the same on the table on the other side of the room. You just kind of scoot them over, just get them out of the way, and then you'll pull back each piece of bubble wrap. And you'll notice some of the bubble wraps are rolled, and that's because there's a table leg there and you can't tuck it under. So in the areas where you have a table leg, you'll have to roll the bubble wrap. Everything else, you just kind of fold it and stick it underneath the flip it around and stick it under the table just like that. This center table, it has a frost blanket, and when you remove the frost blanket, you actually remove it all the way. You just let it drape over into this aisle here, this aisle between the on this side, and then you just pull it all the way back to the end. You can see it's sitting in a pile underneath that fan. You'll just pull it back out of the way, and then you can start uncovering the what do you call it, the bubble wrap off of the tables. There are only 3 frost blankets in here, and even though there's more tables than that, I only have 3 frost blankets, so I use them where I can. The fans will need to be turned on. There are 4 fans, and you just pull the string once so that the fan is on full blast. And you'll want to make sure that you get all of that done. But that's pretty much it. It's opening the greenhouse and watering the plants. It's not a rocket science. I love you so much. Thank you again for doing this. Oh, I forgot to mention, do you see these plants in the little trays that you seeded? They're going to have a plastic dome over them. Pull the plastic dome straight off, and they may need some water as well. In fact, they will need a little light watering as well. But definitely remove the plastic domes and just leave them, like they are piled up over there and there. There's a few places where we'll have bubble wrap. You can see like this is a sheet, and it's not actually connected to the table like it is in most cases. On some of the ends you'll find extra pieces. Just pull those bubble wraps, find a place to put them, set them aside, get them out of the way. But when you come in tomorrow, all of the tables will be covered, and it'll just be ready for you to uncover. So step 1 is pull the what do you call it, screens, the frost blankets off. After all 3 frost blankets are removed, step 2 is remove or start uncovering the tables, and then step 3 is run the water, and step 4, turn on the fans, and then you can leave the greenhouse. But leave all the doors closed because it will not be too hot tomorrow. It's going to be, even though it'll be warm, it's not going to be hot, so the doors can stay closed. Anyway, thank you again, Nance. You're saving my bacon. Love you. Bye.